What's up everyone, welcome to Currency Comps where I cover all things money. So I just wanted to make this quick video to show you this new feature that Cash App just added. So I have nothing prepared for this video, but I thought it was such a cool feature that I had to share it right away. So the way this new feature works is it allows you to borrow money on purchases you've already made with no credit check. So let's get right into how this works. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to your Cash App. If you don't have Cash App, I have the link in the description. So once you have Cash App open, go all the way down to the bottom where you have your money, the bottom left corner. Click on that. Scroll all the way down till you find Afterpay. Click on that. So it tells me right here I have $400 available to get back. So I'm gonna click on Switch to Pay Over Time. I have two purchases eligible. The first one is for $300. The second one is for $100. So these two purchases were made last Friday. As I'm filming this video, it's Thursday of the following week. So I'm gonna click on the $300 purchase. All I have to do is look at my terms and see if I want to accept, and that's it. So it tells me right up top, money to get back, $302.35, $302.35, and that's exactly what the purchase amount was. So it shows me right here what my payments would be, $108.34, October 16th, the 30th, and the 13th, November 13th. So just about every 2 weeks I'd be making that payment. Or I can skip those first two payments and make one lump sum payment in just over a month's time, because as I'm recording this, it's October the 2nd. Final payment due would be November the 13th. So about a month and a half to pay this back in full. So we look at our terms here, pretty simple and straightforward, with no application, no credit check, and instant funding. So we're gonna click on review and confirm. So as we do with everything, we're gonna read all these terms here. 65% APR. This represents the flat fee that we charge for a 42-day loan extended over 1 year. So that would be for 365 days, but we're not going 365 days. This is a month and a half loan. There's no hidden fees here. It tells you exactly what you're gonna pay. $325.02 in my case. Finance charge $22.67, which is not bad. 7.5% interest. It tells me the final payment due. There's no penalty for paying off your loan or part of the loan early, but the 7.5% flat fee won't be refunded. For example, if you take out this loan today for this amount and you decide you don't want the loan, you just want to pay the whole thing back, well, you're gonna have to pay that flat fee of $22.67 back on top of that loan amount. So whether you pay it off in a week or you pay it off in 42 days, you're gonna have a flat fee. Skipped or missed payments. There are no fees for skipped or missed payments as long as you pay the final due amount. That's pretty good. So once you agree to the loan, auto pay will be automatically turned on. So if we want to turn off the auto pay feature, all we have to do is go to Afterpay, click on the loan, scroll all the way down to manage payments, skip payment. So the first two payments, we really don't have to make them if we don't want to. What you want to do is make sure that you pay that final payment in one lump sum. Overdue interest. Starting 7 days past the final due date, we charge a weekly 2.5% non-compounding interest on any unpaid amount financed. So if you don't make that full payment, you're going to be charged 2.5% interest on a weekly basis. Starting 4 days after the final due date, we'll try to recover the outstanding loan amount from certain inflows into your Cash App account. So if you have money coming into your Cash App, if you have direct deposits, if you have somebody putting money into your Cash App, they will pull that money to pay off the loan. 100% of the $302.35 amount finance is distributed directly into your Cash App balance. So that full amount is going to be deposited automatically into your Cash App balance. Your lender's first electronic bank, we're going to put confirm if you want to accept the loan. All set, your $302.35 was added to your balance. All right, let's check it out. So look at that, right away it put that money into my account. There it is right here, return from past purchase, $302.35, and it was just that simple. No credit check, no application, and instant funding. I mean, if you need quick cash, this is really a no-brainer. Not sponsored by Cash App, this is just a great feature to have. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Links in the description. Don't forget to claim your free $100 from Chime. See you next time.